Hey friends, good morning. And oh my gosh, today is New Year's Eve, December 31st. So I'm in this room and we slept on this room last night kasi we are training Ate and Baba to sleep by their own. So ayan, so I'm getting ready kasi me and Rookie is going to be buying food for the New Year because we decided na hindi kami masyadong magluluto this New Year para hindi masyadong tiring, guys. So I'm ready. It's already 9 a.m. It's very late. Supposedly we need to like be out like really 9 kasi 9 a.m. naman nag-open yung mga store. We are just going to SM Seaside kasi malapit lang and yeah, marami namang foodie doon. So, yun. But last night or yesterday, I already prepared mango float and what else? What's that? Mango float and fruit salad and macaroni salad. So, let's go downstairs. Kasi umiiyak na si Maui. Kasi baka gusto na niyang kumain. Yan. So, ala, kunin ko pala yung ano, perfume ni Baba kasi she don't use perfume. So, ako na lang. Tapos si Ate din kasi yun yung Christmas gift from my cousin Ketty, yung ninang nila. So, since hindi naman nila gagamitin yun like last year, so ako na lang yung gagamit, di ba? Wow, bakit ang dilim dito sa baba? Buksan muna natin yung ano, guys, kasi ang dilim. See that? It cannot see me. Ooh. Ayan. Ayan. Maliwanag na. Ang init sa labas. Ang lamig kagabi. And I really like it kasi ang lamig kagabi. So, I don't know. I'm just going to curl my hair kasi it looks better if curled. I really like the curly style. So, mag-curl muna tayo ng hair. So, we're finally going out na, or lakad na kami, guys, and I heard a cry again. Nga naman na, eh. So, I'm just waiting for Rookie kasi so, I know my hair looks so funky today. This side is okay, but this side has flattened. Yeah. My hair doesn't really, what's that called? I don't know what it's called. Basta, hindi nagsistay ng, my hair, the curl in my hair doesn't stay long. Yeah, that's my problem. And I hate it so freaking much. Ingay ng ano, background natin. Uy! 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 Na good boy na sit down. Off on the road again. Kasi, today is the last day of 2018. Are you excited? Hello, di siya excited sa 2019. Grabe. Imagine, guys, it's 2019. Remember nung time na mag 2000 pa lang and everybody was, you know, very crazy kasi nga millennium bug nung ano 2000. And it's so crazy because now is already 2019 and one more year it will be going to be 2020. Ang katay ng ilong ko. So we are going to run some errands for this year. Oh, grabe. It's so fast.
So, lisod kayo parking ba?
Yeah, I know.
Lang ko.
Yeah, I'll just walk. You don't walk, di ba?
Dili lagi awang.
Oh, lagi, I get it. Oh, lagi. Traffic kayo, grabe. Look at guys. And yung traffic, hindi na kami umaandar. Oh, grabe. Nung nangyari. So, got the liempo from Mr. Liempo. For me, this is much tastier liempo and lechon manok compared to other, you know, like yung mga other like that, yung basta parehas ng Mr. Liempo. Yung nagtitinda ng mga liempo, tapos yung mga chicken, lechon manok. So, I really like the flavoring of Mr. Liempo. We really like the flavoring, wow, of Mr. Liempo. Ningaw kay ang road. Grabe. Here sa SMC side, and we're going to Majestic Pharmacy or Majestic Majestic Pharmacy naman guys. Meron din namang isang Majestic Pharmacy. So we are Majestic. Dire ba to ng floor diretso? Saka pa? Because we're going to buy secret. Wala masyadong tao kasi it's still early. I don't know if
But I think we didn't really go to
Biluluto na lang. Kapoy na kayo. You don't have the energy? I'm planning to cook our sweet and sour fish, but bibili na lang kami kasi we don't have the energy anymore, guys. Ang ingay pala. Yan, we're here. And then over there pa yung Grabe, mingaw pa. Siya ray tao diri. Kaya nga no. Still early. 10 pa man pero hi. Pillar. Sir, pillar kay ka, sir. Our second home, SMC. We're here at Majestic Restaurant. We just got our order and we are going downstairs to buy another foodie. He is in a hurry. My God, I'm at the escalator. Oh, woo. Guys, we are still here. It's almost 1:45 and we are here sa new hotdog on stick. Ang ingay. Grabe, we were waiting for the barbecue kasi I don't know if you can hear me. Yeah, because we are good. Tapos ngayon lang dumating. It's been like we waited for an hour. Tapos andun na si Rocky sa likod. So we're home. Finally. Tapos nakakain na din ako, guys. I had like yung leftover na shrimp, tapos rice, coffee, and two donuts. And I forgot to lock it very well. So, ang ingay naman. Look at my hair. I curled this morning when we left, and now look what happened. Almost flat na siya. It's already 4 o'clock. Tapos ang liwanag pa ng ng araw. December 31, 2018. New Year. Almost New Year's Eve. I'm just going to check the Dodge, my langga, because tawag ako ni Maui. Wow, the breeze is so beautiful. Outside, grabe talaga yung hair ko. Wala na. I did not even shampoo my hair. I only use dried shampoo, pero yeah, it's not fresh hair, but still walay pa rin yung Comment below kung anong magandang prepping spray, tapos yung tawag niyan hairspray or any para to keep my hair curled kasi ayaw talaga niya, guys. So, maingay na si Miguel. Magtahan muna natin si Miguel. Gabi, ang liwanag. Look at my hair. So weird. Ayay! May gift ako kina Miguel tsaka ni Maui. Si Kitty. Aray! I'm gonna give this to them kasi I promised them to give them toy sa Christmas, pero hindi nangyari ngayon lang. Down! Kaya maguba! Excited na si Miguel. Down! Here's your toy, Miguel! Wait! Ali! Hurry up! Yan, excited na. Oh my God. What happened? Kaluoy, kawawa naman si Kitty. Just bite, Kitty. Lipat natin yung water. Yan. Yan. Kinain na ni Mami. Kinuha na ni Mami si Kitty. Oh my God. Paagil. Pa si Kitty gin. Paagil. Pa si Kitty gin. Awi. Is that your new toy? Huh? Awi. So, it is already 5:15 or mga ganyan. And, maaga pa guys. Ready na lahat yung foodie namin kaya there's no need. Busang kayo. Ayun kayo. There's no need to, you know, hustle and bustle. So, mag-chill na kami. And, well, what we're doing. So, matutulog muna kami ni Baba or at first I will be watching YouTube videos kasi I haven't watched any YouTube videos for yesterday. Mga matagal na. Hindi ako nakapag-watch. Ngayon lang. So, ayan si Baba. Matutulog muna kami dito. Nandito pa rin kami sa kwarto na ito. No! Why are you so weird, bro? Ganyan, bro. Hi, ba? Grabe. I'm so tired. Kanina sa sa SM, guys. Grabe. Ang tagal naming naghintay sa barbecue. Grabe. I was yawning a million times kasi I was so sleepy. I don't know for some reason why I got so sleepy there. Usually I don't get sleepy, I don't yawn during the day. Yeah, I don't even take a nap anymore. So I don't know what happened kanina. So no ba? I said no. Bad kinis babay pakaon kunis baki judron. Do you wanna be eaten by the frogs? You wanna be eaten by the frogs? So mag-chill muna kami and yun nga, and I'm gonna watch a YouTube video or and maybe sleep a little after that. Surely makakatulog ako while watching YouTube video. So see you later guys. See you sa New Year's Eve. Hopefully magising ako.